Hello everyone, Shravankumarmanthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. In this set of videos, we'll try to cover the questions from Hackerrank and also what are the solutions for each question. And I'll try to write the code here in the languages like C, Java and Python. We'll try to have an answer for each and every question. And all the test cases to be passed. If you consider here the questions you can see in the down in this website, Hackerrank.com, that you can see here. You can prepare by topics. I'll try to go for algorithms first, next data structures. Like this, I'll try to take the questions and I'll try to solve it for each and every question. So again, I'm saying I'll use three languages. The solution I'll write it in C and then Java and Python for each question. You can see and you can enjoy those questions and you can get it. And if at all any sort of the doubts you're getting, absolutely you can comment in the comment section. Let's get into this one. Before we start, first of all you must log in it, right? So how to log in it? So first, anyway, you have to go for Hackerrank website. Initially you just have to type hackerrank.com, then you can see this page, and of course in that you can see here login. Even you don't have account also, if you have Gmail, absolutely fine. And not only Gmail, if I click on it, you can see what are the options. If you click on sign up, you will find here you can see sign up or login. It's up to you. You can sign up or you can log in here. If you click on login, write your name here and of course the password, or else directly, either if you have a Facebook account, you can directly log in with the Facebook or Gmail, LinkedIn, like this. So this is what you can make it. Any one of these credentials you can take, or else you want to sign up, yes, give a username and password here, that is also absolutely fine. For me, I'm going directly through Gmail. I'm just logging in through Gmail directly. Anyway, I just logged in. So now you can see this sort of the page. Anyway, I practiced some questions, that's why it is here like this. So whatever, you just go down, just get into this one like algorithms. Click on the algorithms. So we'll try to solve first these algorithms questions, right? So just click on it and you will find here a set of questions here. Okay. Anyway, I think you will first find this question, solve me first. I think here you will find like solve the challenge. Anyway, I already solved it. That's why you can see here I solved everything. One by one questions we have to solve anyway. We'll try to go for it from the next video. Thank you.